along blue axes. We're going to do 4. Now it's all nice, snug, no intersects, giving it the most strength. Now very simple. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to pattern this. So we want it to go along the red axis, and we want to copy it. I want it to be 300, and we want 2 of them. And next, what we need to do, we need to move this along the red axis again. We're going to copy it. I'm going to say 310 because we're going to flip this along the red axis. Now we move 20 mil. It's all there and all nice and finished. And then finally, one more move of 300 millimeters, and we have a shelf. Now select our select tool, go to our outliner, select all the parts that we've just created, right click, create group. This group is going to be shelf. Very nice. Now if we get back our batteries, see the only issue is that we have one set of floating batteries. First of all, what we want to do, I want some galvanized steel plates. You go into here, go to your drop down menu, metals, select this, and there we go, galvanized metal. Not a problem. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to copy the shelf up 600 millimeters. So select our select tool again, select this, M, want it along the blue axis, control 600, and we now have 2 shelves. Now we're going to leave the nuts and bolts until the end in case there's anything that we need to change. But what we're going to do next time is we're going to create everything else. So we're going to create the floor, the walls, the ventilation slats, and even the door. So we're pretty much finished after that, because then after that what we're going to simply do is we're going to create the ventilation system where this is going, because this is a cabinet which is going to be stored inside, and batteries give out gases, so it needs to be well ventilated, and the ventilation needs to go to the outside. After that we'll put on our screws and bolts and give it a nice look, and finally we'll install an add-in to Sketchup which will allow us to see if our design is going to hold or if it's going to break. FEA analysis is what it's called. Just going to see if it's actually going to work, and then if it doesn't, then we can think about using a different material, creating a different thickness, or things that aren't an issue, just a little bit of redesign. But that's all for this week, and I'll see you next time.